Today, I'm going to talk about an automation which we are seeing sell like crazy. And this is something which is in an industry which is really booming and almost it's growing everywhere in Europe, in US, in Asia. I'm talking about the industry solar panels. So right now, every commercial company and private residential people, they want solar panels installed on their rooftops. And also from many governments all across the world, I can tell you from Europe, from US, there's a mandate that they have to convert everything into solar. All of the electricity has to be converted or a certain percentage. So right now, a lot of demand is being seen by all of these solar companies. And the biggest issue is that they're getting so many leads, they can't qualify them properly. These leads are really hard to qualify, to reduce the number of leads who are actually good and to properly sell products to them. It's a very hard process. And this is something that we have automated here. I'm going to show you the whole automation. I'm also going to show you how the AI actually goes out and with the voice tries to sell and make money from the customer, all without having any human. So I'm going to go through this whole automation and show you in detail. You're going to get this all for free and you can give it to any solar company which is out there. So you can just create a list of all the solar companies, just contact them directly by sending them email, contacting them on LinkedIn, and then go further and sell this automation. So I'm just going to share my screen to go into detail on how this exactly works. Perfect. So on the first step, you see with Voho, we have built this website. This website is, let's say, for Solar Panel LLC. And here we've got a form. So inside this form, we are going to get the people to pull in information. So let's take the example of my information, I'm Yar Malik, or let's go with Yar. That is how I like to be called, and then gmail.com. And here I have to put a phone number. So usually from people, you really want the phone number because the good benefit is you can send them WhatsApp, you can send them phone call, you can do whatever. So all the lead generation that I do, I always get the number because then you can contact these people. And usually with WhatsApp, it's really personal communication. So now I'm just going to click on next step, filling out this form. What is my monthly electricity bill? I think it has to be something like $300. And then property type, residential for me. And then filling out information such as roof condition. Okay, so my roof condition, I live in a very poor neighborhood. So let's say my house says poor, 25 plus years. So now I'm going to click on get free quote. And before I do that, I have to go in and execute the workflow in n8n. n8n is actually a workflow builder, one of the best out there, much better than Zapier, make.com, because here I'm going to give you a JSON and you can just use that JSON and import it in there and you have all the configurations done for you. So this is going to be the most seamless process. Also, on the platform that I'm building, Voho, we could create all of these automations also inside the platform. So the platform is growing really fast. We're not just an AI caller, but we're going to have all of these things in there so that you have everything set up properly. So now it's waiting for a trigger, as you see. So right now, I'm just going to go out there and I'm going to click on get a free code. And right now, as I do it, I receive a call. So when I go here, this is make AI call. This is being executed, and I'm just going to pick up the call.
Hi, Yar. This is an AI assistant calling from Solar Panel LLC. You recently showed interest in solar solutions on our website, and I just wanted to thank you for that. Is now a good time for a quick call about your home's solar potential?
Yeah, it's a good time.
Great. Just to confirm, is this for a single-family home or a multi-unit residential building?
It's just for a single-family home.
Perfect. Based on what you shared online, you're likely eligible for our $4,000 residential solar package. It's designed to significantly reduce your electricity bills and even boost your property value shortly after installation. Here's what's included in the package. Full installation.
One question. Why do I see 4,000 when it was 5,000 on the website?
Great question. The $5,000 package you saw online might include additional features or upgrades, such as a larger system size or premium
option. Is it possible to get a discount? Is it possible to get a discount because I've got only 3,500?
I totally understand wanting the best value. And the good news is we do occasionally offer promotional pricing depending on your utility provider, state incentives, and roof eligibility. Here's what I can do. I'll connect you with one of our solar specialists who can take a quick look at your roof and local rebates. If you qualify, they might be able to bring that cost closer to your 350 USD euro target, or even unlock extra incentives you weren't aware of. Would you be open to a quick follow-up call with a specialist?
Yeah, actually.
Would today or tomorrow work better for you?
Yeah, let's do it tomorrow. Set up a call for me tomorrow.
Awesome. I've got you down for a follow-up call with a solar specialist tomorrow. What time works best for you? Morning, afternoon, or early evening?
Let's make it 12 o'clock.
Perfect. I've scheduled your solar consultation for tomorrow at 12 p.m. One of our specialists will give you a quick call to go over your roof's eligibility, available discounts, and customizable quotes.
That's great. That's great. Perfect. So right now we saw that AI was properly negotiating everything for us. And right now, let's see if we receive a WhatsApp message. So right now, because we should actually receive a WhatsApp message when we are doing this. And yeah, so right now, if I go into my email, perfect. Supposedly, I have not received a WhatsApp message, which is obviously incredible. Came time, perhaps try again later. Okay, what happened? Okay, now I'm executing these workflows. I'm also seeing that there is some kind of error, which I'm seeing. 50 got it. This is really strange, okay? So right now, while we are talking, we're gonna execute this step again, just to see why we were getting this error. So I think this error is not a big error, because I'm receiving the call again. Let's see if the call goes through.
This is an AI assistant calling from Solar Panel LLC.
Okay, seems to be good.
Recently showed interest.
Seems to be good. Okay, perfect. So we're going to leave it there. And right now, this step has been executed. If I click execute this step, execute step. Okay, perfect. So here we see that this has been executed. And let's see if this step is also executed and this step is also executed. So right now, let's say authorization failed. So it's interesting that we can debug all of it also while being here. So one of the things that happens, let me see if this works actually. Okay, this works. So right now the authorization failed because WhatsApp, you always have to verify with Facebook no matter whatever happens. So right now, while we go on WhatsApp, I'm going to delete this access token, but your access token gets expired. So you just have to always generate a new token. Once you generate a new token, then you can go and import that inside n8n and it starts working. And after 60 minutes, this access token is also going to stop working. So it's really important to know which one is going to work, which one is not going to work. So that's the most important thing. And update it. And the good thing is that we saw. Now we have to see if we receive the email. Okay, perfect. So right now you can see on my screen, I see an email, and this is an email sent 0 minutes ago. And this is about, hey, Yar, thank you for your interest in solar panel. This is the whole information. This is the whole template that we have given it. And then we've got, okay, this is solar panel. And then we've got also WhatsApp. So we're going to say, oh, I received it. Hey, customer, thank you for your interest here. We have sent you a customer code. Okay, did you get a chance to review? So look at this. First of all, we sent a WhatsApp message, and then it also sent up a follow-up message. So this was really powerful. You could always set up these executions such that you're sending one message, then you're sending email, and then sending up a follow-up message. You could also automate these follow-up messages after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days. So this is one of the most powerful things that I love about this, that when you're creating these lead funnels, you can really retarget the customers and keep on getting them and winning them as customers. This is also one of those things that we use ourselves to win customers for our product, and also for the education platform we are also getting people. We are also following up exactly like this over WhatsApp, over email, over different platforms. So it's really good. And one thing that I want to tell you is that, for example, right now when we are doing the email, this email is done using Mailgun. So Mailgun is one of the email providers. You could use anyone that you want, but we use Mailgun here because you could configure it really properly. These are the here, you've got settings. In the next videos, I'll also go into detail on how to configure all of them, but it's super simple. If you want to figure out, it's like you just have to give your access token, and then you've also done it with Mailgun that you've properly configured. So we've got all of this information, and then this is ending here. You can create also very complex workflows, which we are going to create in the next videos. I hope you like it. and you enjoy this. And I'm looking forward to creating even better automations for you. We're going to be coming up daily 1 or 2 different automations in different languages, and we're going to be sharing them, making sure that you become an expert in it. And also, if you want any assistance in setting up these automations on a bigger scale, you could also contact us, because we have a lot of experience now building all of these automations, automating AI calling for call centers. We've done so much of it. And also, if you want to build a business and get customers for it, something like this, and you need some help, you can join my community on School, which is going to teach you everything that you need to know in order to sort this out. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you tomorrow with more videos, with more information, also more detailed information on AI. So that's going to be super interesting, and this is going to become the best and the most important platform for you to learn anything about AI, how to automate any processes, and also if you want to build a business with AI, how to win customers and what exactly to sell.